Hi, do you want to see the magic? I type slash get summary and let's give one line prompt. Tell me summary and top 5 things that went good with client. See what happens. It will take all of the conversation that happened in this channel. It will change it to between a client and freelancer or client and a team, and then it will give me a summary. And while I was giving you the description, here it is already done. Here is my analysis. If I click on this, you see here conversation summary and top 5 positive client seeks Zapier automation, this care project, waiting webhook versus Gmail based approaches. So these are the top 5 things that went well. Clear objective and context from the client, prompt constructive feedback, strong engagement in scheduling, and useful data provided for testing. And so these are the things that went well. Now let's go to another channel. Let's see, we go to this one. So we have to give a follow-up to this client because this lead is inactive from months. Let's write get summary. Tell me a summary of client requirements and write 2 follow-ups by targeting client pain points. So I am getting a summary, and it is also answering some of the questions for me as well. Will reply shortly. This is an internal tool, so I didn't added a lot of refinement in that. Will it reply or not? Oh, here we got it. Here is my analysis. Click on first reply, and here is the project title, client, and what was the status and why it went cool. How we can send the follow-up. It gave me 2 follow-ups. Number 1, this one with a very good call to action. And similarly, here is another follow-up. Hi Tony, beyond the first deliverable, would you value an automated workflow that refreshes the sorted list on update and pushes the results? So yeah, we got all of it. Now let's see how it works and how you can make it for you. So here I am inside n8n. I will give you this workflow. Go to description, download this workflow so you can follow along with me. First of all, we need this webhook, and all of it is staying in Slack. So we just need Slack, and we need Gemini or OpenAI API. Click on this webhook, go to the production URL, copy this URL, and go to your Slack app. I hope you know already how to create Slack app. If no, click somewhere here and you will find a video to create a Slack app. In this Slack app, currently I will just go to slash commands, and here I will create a new command. So give it a name like slash get summary, and paste the URL here that we copied in step 1. Paste this URL in this field, give your description or whatever you want, and save it. I already have this get summary. If I click on this edit button, you will see just command data bye bye. This is just a description. And if I go back here on n8n, now we have this URL. Change the method to post, and everything else keep it same. After that, make the workflow active. Why active? Because production URL will only work if it is an active phase. Then I am checking if there is a message or not. If there is no message here, if I go, you will notice that it sent me, actually let's keep the latest conversation. If I go to execution, we recently run it, you remember, right? Auto refresh 14.5.14. okay, so copy to editor, and now I have the latest data when I run it. If I click on this, you will see we have a command that is get summary, and this is a text. Tell me a summary of client requirement and write 2 follow-ups by targeting client pain point. This is a text. So I added a condition. If text is empty, then just leave a message for user, hey buddy, what do you want to ask, give me a prompt. Otherwise continue. Then I am checking if the user is allowed or not. So for example, I have 30-40 members in my Slack, and I don't want anyone to run it. I just want only 3, 4 or 5 people to run it, so I will pass the username here. Otherwise you can just skip this node and delete it. It is what it is saying is this is a message if they don't have access, by the way. So now it will go there and it will search the history. In the first node, it also it gave us the channel ID. Based by using that channel ID, we get history of that channel and parse all of those messages. This is a code block. What it is doing, it is converting, because in the Slack channel we have 10 team members and 2 or 3 client members. So here I have mapped everything, if there is a team member or if it is from client. So because bot know that, we will replace the name with either client or team, so that we can establish a relation here. After that, there is an AI agent. Here you will have to, if you click on OpenAI, so you need to add the credential here and a prompt. I have added a prompt. Let me show you the AI agent prompt. So this is a very well detailed prompt where it is acting as a top rated freelancer who is expert in AI automation data, and the task is to give answer of multiple problems. So these are some of the problem. Analyze conversation and tell me what client need in simple word. Tell me feasibility of the task, either the task is doable or not. Analyze a conversation as project manager and break down the task in 5 subtasks. So these are the sample questions that I have given to the agent. I have also defined the role. I have also gave the role assignment to the agent so that it can work more accurately. So it is a top rated freelancer on Upwork and Fiverr and on other marketplaces. It know the Python, machine learning, computer vision, and it know about automation, AI agents, make.com, GHL, webpack, and all of those tools. It is expert in Excel and Google Sheets automation and Looker Studio dashboards as well, so that I get a very customized response. Okay, once it get the message, I am sending that as a message simply on Slack. That is just 2 line analysis. And why I am not sending complete response in one go, if you go here you will notice that if I send all of this message in the main message here, it will just create a lot of mess here, and the people will not like to read the conversation. So I just sent a 2 line message only. Actually we have 1 line message, and in the reply I pasted all of the details that is coming from second message. So this is how you can use it. You just can go to the description and download the complete workflow. You have to attach 2 things here. You have to attach the chat model, either it would be Gemini and GPT. I am using GPT Nano. GPT Nano is very cheapest model of OpenAI currently, but accuracy is also compromised on it. This is a webhook that we saw in detail how to integrate the webhook in the slash command. So that's it for today. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.